What's going on, guys? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a 2012 Harley Davidson Road King. This is a good looking bike. It's got some nice upgrades on it, and it's in really good condition. Only a few small marks I noticed. And big fan of this color combo too. It's the Ember Red Sunglow and Merlot. And I know it looks black, but you can see it's not. It looks killer out in the sunlight. It's got a 103-inch fuel-injected twin-cam 6-speed transmission. This one's got the fishtail pipes. They're a little discolored. And it's also got the upgraded Mammoth spoke wheels. That's a 21-inch wheel on the front, and it's got the matching one on the back as well. Probably an 18. Again, just a couple of very, very small marks. There's one on this saddlebag lid. Right there, I mean, it's hard to see. There's the tiniest little scratch on the tank. It's got some upgraded ape-hanger handlebars. I'd guess probably 14 inches. Bike's got cruise control. It's got some Avon grips. They're a little worn, but not bad. Got the chrome switch housings. Doesn't have a windshield, but it does have the mounting points for one. It's got the upgraded Daymaker, or the LED headlight and the matching spot lamps. It's got a fairly new tire on the front. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it and made sure everything was working correctly, gave it a professional detail. Chrome's in good shape. It's got the heel toe shifter. Got floorboards for the passenger. You got some upgraded floorboards, some Harley floorboards for the driver. Other than that, it's got a small little scratch on the back side of that lid. That's got a little mark right there. Rear tire's in good shape. It's got the tinted lenses on all the turn signals and the brake light. And it's got 22,814 miles. The bike runs awesome, no mechanical issues. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.